Hello, good day friends. In today's video, we are going to see how you can set up dynamic island on Samsung Galaxy A17. So, let me tell you, Samsung Galaxy A17 does not have its own dynamic island, but we can use third-party application. To do that, simply go to your Play Store, tap on search and type dynamic spot and download this app. As you can see, the rating is 4.6, so it is very good at doing this task. After downloading, open it, tap on next and enable all these things. Let me do it. Just select all and go back. Enable. Tap on allow. It will take few seconds, so don't worry. Now go to install apps. Here you can see dynamic spot. Turn it on. Now as you can see, all the options are now enabled. Tap on done and your dynamic spot is now enabled. As you can see, and if you want to set up its position and appearance, you can do it from here. Let's say I want it on little top. Now as you can see, it is perfectly set up. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like. Do consider subscribing and I will see you in next video.